And we're rolling. Sweet. Okay, so let's start our project off then. So everyone has their Unity project open. Anybody having difficulty getting to this scene right here? Nope. Awesome. So we have our world. It is a little bit boring and blank right now, so let's start adding some stuff. If you see right here where my mouse cursor is that visible to everyone where my mouse is? Okay, awesome. We have our hierarchy up here. You're going to click on the Create button. You can go down to 3D Object and just press Plane. Oop, and you'll see it'll get popped up right in front of you. Awesome. So we have a plane there. And what we want to do now is hopefully be able to see it a little bit better. It's not the best. There's a few ways of navigating within Unity. We do have a 3D space inside of here, so it can be a little bit awkward to navigate 3D using a 2D screen, but we do our best. So how you're going to handle this, the main way that people usually move in Unity that tends to be comfortable, is you'll hold down right click. So for me, that's 2 fingers clicking down on a Mac. Sorry, I had the wrong window open. It probably looks like this for you guys. And then, so if you hold down right click, it'll sort of pop up with this little eye. If you move it around, it'll let you look around. So you can look around 3D space. And with WASD, which is sort of akin to arrow keys, you can press those and start moving around as if you're in the scene. So this lets you have a lot of control. I can do this and sort of pan over here, look at this stuff. You can also use Q and E to go up and down. Sometimes that can be useful. But yeah, so you can sort of just go all the way around, just sort of start flying around and go off. And unfortunately, you can get lost every once in a while. So right now, I can't really see anything, sort of in the middle of nowhere. But don't worry. On our left here in our hierarchy, we have a few things that exist in our scene. You can see we have our plane there that we created just earlier. So if we have our plane, you can go ahead and put your mouse over the scene view, and then press F, and you're just going to zoom in and look at it right there. So this is awesome if you have something in your scene that you want to go to, if you've gotten lost. Sometimes there's like, oh, I want to go to this specific part of the level. So you click on that specific part of the level, you just press F. You can see we have our main camera. I can press F on that one too, and it'll zoom in on that. So a bunch of options there, but that's sort of just your fail-safe in case your scene is looking super weird. So this right-click method isn't the only way to navigate Unity. There's a bunch of other ones too. We aren't really going to go over them as much. You can probably learn them as time goes on and start seeing what's useful, what's helpful for you guys.